everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about how to fix errors in Power BI dataset. For that, I'm gonna thing which I will do before starting project, because I will work with the dates. I need to make sure that in options and settings and in options I have the right date format for dates. So in order to correct that and to check, you have to go to regional settings, and by default Power BI has English United States, meaning that it takes first month, day and year, and I'm looking for day, month and year because this is how I have all my dates, and I'm gonna choose for that United Kingdom. If you work with United States dates, then you can of course choose United States English. I will click OK. Now I'm gonna make an Excel workbook, which is pretty heavy. It has a lot of data inside, but I'm gonna choose only one sheet. Click transform data. Okay, let's wait to open it. By default, these steps were already recorded by the app, and whenever I do something in this side, we'll see all the steps. We can go forward, back anytime. So for this, I will use only. I'll press Shift, Control, and here click, remove columns. I'll use only 2 columns. So in order to see these 2 dashboards, you need to go in View, check the column distribution and column quality, and you will have the same dashboards. So as you can see here, there are 0 errors. I will change this to date. This is to numbers, and since there is no error, normally I should close and apply and load my data on this side. I should see our table. Let's see what errors, if we get any errors. So we have errors, like 3 errors. Let's check it. 10,000 rows. So in this side, as you can see, query errors, you can visualize where are your errors in your data, but you cannot correct it here. You have to go in this in your table, initial table. So if I click, I see that I have an error on row 1634, 8242, and so on. So here is the error. If I click on this error, I will see what is the problem. So we can see here that someone inserted the date wrong. It's missing the year here. If I go back here, I compare the information. Here is like nothing. I cannot see it. And here, instead of a number, I have an R. So these are manual inserted data, and therefore we have this problem. So I will copy this one. I'll try to search for it, and try to fix it. So first of all, we can just close this. We can delete this group of errors. We don't need it now. We go in our table, and here I should find the error. As you can see here, it's 0 errors. So let's try to search for it. So we will load more. We still cannot see it, but we can see here data format error. So meaning that for sure we have an error. So what we can do, how we can find the exact error. First of all, we change this from date to text, and then we need to go to view, advanced view, and look for date column and format. So we see we have text, and here any, type any. Let's put text here to be the same with the last one. This is a trick, we need to do this. Otherwise we will not find the error. Click done. And now I'm gonna search for that error. Click contains, click the error, I don't know, it's a wrong year, 2003, like, it is here. So I found it. So normally I should have copied, but since I found it, now how can I delete it? If I want to delete it, or I can just correct this, and then if here was missing a number or something like that, I could add it. But since here is nothing, I can just delete it. So how I can delete? I can delete this is like going here somewhere. I should find an option to delete first row. Remove rows, remove top rows. So I will choose first row, and I just get rid of that error. If I go back here in filters and click again, just to let this empty, I will have the whole list back. As we checked before, here is also an error like R instead of a number, so we can similarly change this to text. Let's see if we can find it here. We cannot find it, as you can see. So even if we load more data, we cannot find it. Okay, so we need to go again in view, advanced view. We check for the name of for the header of the table, deliveries. So we have text, and we need to check how it was before. As you can see, it's an integer type, so we need to make it typed like text in order to work for us and to find that error. Okay, click done. And now let's search for it. We go to text filters and contains. We just write here R. Click OK, and here it is. So in this case, as you can see, I have a date, but I have an R. And let's suppose that someone make this mistake and the number was, I don't know, 10, let's say 10. How we replace this? We can do this very easily. In transform, we go to replace values, and we say instead of R, we want 10. Click OK. Then we just click on whole number, transform it. We need to go back here in filters, and in order to see the whole list here as it was in the beginning, we need to change in the filter side to let just empty, and we have the whole list. Okay, so let's close it and let's see what we have. No errors. So this was a very interesting way to, and how to say, very fast way to detect errors and to correct them. Usually, in normal cases, when you go in your data, you have the options to delete all errors by clicking on the header and just click on remove errors, but sometimes it doesn't work, simply doesn't work. So now we need to just transform this column in date format. We have numbers, close and apply, and see what errors we get. No errors. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so as I said, the first step we need when we do and click on and we want to remove errors, and we click on that, we need to know that if on a row you have an error here, but you have a number here. If you click remove error, then the whole line will be removed, so you lose everything. So therefore you have to be very careful when you use this option like remove errors. I cannot do now remove errors because I know I don't have any. So I hope this video was useful for you, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel for new videos. See you next time.